What's up, guys? Welcome back. In this video, you're gonna see me and one of my good buddies, Levi, head out and we're gonna do some turkey hunting. We've played basketball with each other and we've hunted some. And tomorrow morning we're gonna be hunting together and it'll be our last youth season ever. Right now it is March 31st and youth season this year is April 1st and 2nd. So that's tomorrow. The weather is not gonna be that good and it's gonna make it pretty tough. It's gonna be like 35-mile-an-hour winds, or real feel is gonna be like 18 degrees. It's not gonna be the best, but I've been doing lots of scouting the past few days, and I found quite a few birds, some good spots. So hopefully that pays off. But with anything, we'll have a pretty good time. So getting all of our stuff ready here, and I think that's about it. I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow. See you then. It is that time in the morning. We are up. Definitely got more than like 2 hours of sleep, so I think we're big chilling. Be able to run down some turkeys. Well, guys, I don't think I really introduced my friend yet. So this is Levi. We've been friends for a long time. Today we're going to be going on our last youth hunt ever. So I'll be a little bit sad. Try not to cry, but he's got a nice 12 gauge red dot on it. I got 20 gauge over here with red dot on it. We got plenty of turkey gear, turkey calls. So my buddy Jake just got here, but he's going to be chauffeuring me and Levi around for a few hours this morning. So really nice of him. He's gonna help call, help film, so should be fun.
I have to be quieter than I feel like I should need to be.
I know, it's so dang windy. Got her packing more right here. Jeez. You're good at that, I'll say that. Alright, let's get this on. Nothing's gobble. We haven't heard any turkeys or anything, but it's overcast. It's like 40 degrees. It's just like 25, 30-mile-an-hour winds. It's just not it. Of course, it has to be in like our last new season too, but at 10 o'clock it's definitely supposed to be like only like 18-mile-an-hour winds or something. So
It's fun, but it needs to stop.
it needs to stop.
It's getting a lot.
Either the wind needs to stop or the sun needs to come out. That would be ideal, Levi.
A lot needs to happen, but I'm confident. We're staying true.
Never gonna give up. Never gonna give you up. Due to the bad weather throughout the first part of the morning, we didn't see or hear any birds. So we started walking around in hopes to strike a bird in the high winds. With no luck, we started walking back to the truck when this happened. Yeah, one left.
Wait for me. That's a collar in the tree right there. See it right there in the tree? How far? See it right there? 40, 50 yards probably. Can I shoot it? I don't know if it's a collar right here.
Oh, right there? That's his other Tom, I think.
How do you fucking... Hey, there's one in the tree. The gobbler in the tree. Focus.
Well, as you can tell, that happened really quick. Right after Levi's shot, he handed me the shotgun so I could get a shot at the other gobbler. But unfortunately, the gun misfired, and eventually the turkeys moved away. Jacob called them back in. They came down here about like 45, 50 yards, yeah, down here to our left. And I tried shooting one, but for some reason the gun didn't cycle. But I'm honestly not mad because we didn't get the best footage of it, and I want to keep hunting today. So that was sick, man. Let's go. Let's go walk up there.
Do it.
No. Oh, stinking, let's go. Sprinkle. That was like, oh, we're the longbeard.
Yep, he's a Tom. Let's go.
How'd that happen so quick?
That's crazy.
How'd that happen?
So yeah, we spotted him right down there, right on those trees. They're coming around that corner. Worked out just perfectly. But too bad we couldn't get a double, but hopefully we can get on some this evening.
That's crazy. How'd that happen so quick? We went from being so low, like we were like, man, this sucks. Like it's literally 30-mile-an-hour winds, 30 degrees or like 35 degrees. Like it's like spitting snow, and we're like, no way this is gonna work. Where are the turkeys even at?
That's really cool.
That's awesome. Big old longbeard.
That's something.
kind of a smaller bird, isn't he, or no?
There's some weird on his tail fin. I mean, he's obviously a tom, but he's got interesting tail fin.
Yeah, he's got a big beard. What about his spurs?
They're like, they're like an inch.
Yeah. It's
Pretty average. Yeah, and this wasn't even the other one was the one that was strutting, but their heads crossed. I just waited for the first one to get it.
You about got to double yourself.
Yeah, no, I was trying to make sure, wait for him to clear. I definitely could if I wanted to.
Yeah.
Man, you know how many times we've walked down this trail after not killing any turkeys and not seen anything?
How did they not see us first?
I don't know.
They're like right there when we saw them, right?
No, they're like at that.
They're at that turn. They're at like that
I
bend.
thought they were like by this log.
No, they're like at that bend way up there.
Okay.
But still,
They covered some ground.
yeah, I was watching them as we were leaving. They were moving pretty quick, so
They were.
it worked out perfectly getting down there.
Isn't it?
It might be because it's so cold. They may have like
Probably.
flocked up for the cold.
Probably. We were right here in the path, and we just crawled down, right down to that double tree there. And how far a shot do you think it is? Just 38 shot
Probably
yards?
35 yards, probably.
Yeah.
35, maybe 40.
Oh man, that's some pretty feathers, man.
Yeah, it's super sweet. Let's notch it. Yep, we killed one. Unless he's gonna fly away, which he's looking pretty good to me.
Yeah, I think he's dead. Oh yeah. That longbeard X hard trip.
That's sick.
That's our truck right there. That's nuts, man. Alright guys, we just went back to the house, ate some stuff, and now we're back out here. We're at one of our other properties. We burnt it the other day, so it looks pretty good. And yesterday I came over here and I struck a gobbler and he started coming into my call. So he should be somewhere in the vicinity here, hopefully. And whether we strike him or not, I don't know, but it's still decently windy, but it's starting to get calmed down. So we'll see. We're gonna head out here and see if we can't strike up another bird. In this bird area right here, there's some turkey poop right there. That's definitely through the past, like, probably a day or so. But see if they're back on this point back here, because sometimes they have been in the past, so we'll see. Alright guys, well,
There's two. We gotta go. He's right here. Right here, get this evergreen. Here, don't even take this stuff. Get to here.
Levi hits the call once. A bird gobbles like probably 150 yards down the woods or something like that, and then he gobbles again whilst we were trying to do an interview. Just like, yeah, it was crazy. So set up here, and we don't think he saw us or anything, so he kind of shut up though, so it's kind of weird though. We're not for sure what happened, but he might be coming in, we're not for sure. Did I close my shotgun too hard? I don't know. Dang it, man. I was like from the highest to highest, lows. Man. What if I... say we circle around the elephant pond and try to get him gobble. Because then they won't think it's the same man. We're the same stupid hunters. Hunter. Alright guys, so we heard that, so we got out. Alright guys, so we went out, tried to struck a. Alright guys, so we went out, just give a second. Alright guys, so we tried. Alright guys, shut up. Alright guys, so we went out, with the big phone. Alright guys, so we went out and tried to strike a bird, and we did. And he gobbled like twice at us, and so we moved in on him, and he just shut up. So I don't know what happened. We thought we spooked him, so he came out and tried to get a different angle on him to see if he could respond to us or whatever, and think we're a different hen. So in doing that, we had like a group of hens. I think we never saw them, but they were yelping to us and putting to us and stuff. And they eventually moved off, but they were really close at one point. And the bird eventually gobbled one more time, kind of back up right where he originally struck him by our foiler up there. So we snuck out of there, didn't spook anything, I don't think, and now we're gonna go try to sneak back down where we originally first struck him and see if he's in, like, there's a little food plot there, we're gonna see if he's there. So that's the plan. Well, we're gonna go ahead and try to move on and go on to a different property, see if we can strike something up. It's about 5 o'clock now, so we agreed that we're just gonna let this bird go to roost tonight, and I still have tomorrow to hunt youth season, so I'll be able to get him on tomorrow morning, so we'll see. But for now, we're gonna go over to new property and see if we can't get on another bird. What are you doing? Dang, boy. Well, can't get nothing, guys.
Looks like you're hunting a bunch of ghosty birds in the morning.
I guess so. Probably like a 5-year-old Tom. 32 pounds, 2 inch spurs.
Probably Jake.
Yeah, okay.